YouTube, welcome to the Hangar. I'm Nate. I'm not entirely sure why I'm here.
I'm Jeremy, and because I like oil stains on my driveway, I drive BMWs.
Hi, I'm Rob. I like Mopars, just like my spirit animal, Dominic Toretto.
I'm Blake. I like anything that goes fast. And here at the Hangar, we're all about cars and car culture.
Yeah, we love to drive cars, work on cars, look at cars, think about cars, talk about cars, and like you, we like to watch YouTube car channels.
Yeah, we love watching the big YouTube build channels where they're working on GTRs, they're working on Lamborghinis, they're working on Mercedes because they're obviously always in the shop. But we don't have $100K to spend on those projects. So we want to make an entertaining show where we have some beers, we obviously mock each other relentlessly, and it's just for you guys, the average car guy.
So hopefully it'll be something fun to watch, somewhere you can learn about performance mods, about aesthetic mods, you know, spoilers, stickers, things that give you a lot of horsepower, speed, general maintenance, and some DIY.
We are not going to be your in-depth how-to channel. We're not going to tell you every single socket size to use to get the job done, but hopefully learn something along the way.
We have a lot of great content planned from you guys, from builds to flips to obviously wrenching on cars. We're gonna take you to some meets, to some car shows, and obviously to track days where we beat the ever-living crap out of those builds like they owe us money, because they do.
Right about now, hopefully you're thinking this all sounds pretty cool, but guys, that's a basement. That's pretty clearly not a hangar.
And you'd be right.
Well, the hangar is the dream. We've had this dream of being able to wrench on our cars in an old aircraft hangar for years now. Just an old metal building with the big open parking lot where we can have meets and have our friends over and just welcome all builds and styles and hang out, barbecues and burnouts. Who knows?
That's a dream, but for now, we're just like you guys. We all work in our garages, the driveway, sometimes the side of the road. We do have the workshop with a lift that'll make things a little easier for us, but you might find us out behind Denny's, just like Nate.
Hello.
So basically that's it. We love cars, we love working on cars. We hope that you'll learn something and that we'll learn something, but we can't make any promises. Hopefully you'll get inspired, you'll do some cool stuff to your car, and join us along for this crazy ride.
Hey everyone, we hope that you like what you see here, and if you do, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and jam that like button. And if you would be so kind, please share with your family, your friends, your coworkers, anyone that you think might be interested in this content. And if you run by a Denny's, look for me.
All right. We're out.
We all done.
Now it's just time to drink beer.
Calls for a beer.